In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Viber not sending messages. So the first thing that I did myself to be able to fix this problem is that I closed my Viber app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone here. Then I clicked on general and then I clicked on storage right here, as you can see. And now we need to just simply wait a couple of seconds for all of the apps in here to load, and then when it has loaded, click on search here and search for Viber and click on the Viber app. Now click on Offload App, and once again in here click on Offload App. As you can see, just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, so we need to wait for it to say reinstall app and then click right here. So now just simply wait for the Viber app to completely update to its latest version. What you can also do is to go back, by the way, to the settings app and then go back to this page here, scroll all the way down until you can see apps, search for Viber in here. If it's, actually right now it's still being loaded, so you cannot find it probably. So let's say I want to be able to change, let's say that this is the Viber app, just like for the tutorial, I guess. And notifications, make sure that you allow notifications for the Viber app as well. This might sometimes fix it as well, just so you know. And now it's done here, as you can see, so go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.